Here's a counting problem with a tiny twist. A neighborhood team writes welcome cards for new families, but only every other day. On day 1, they write 20 cards. On day 3, they write 25. On day 5, they write 30. The pattern keeps going. How many cards will they write on day 17? Before I show you anything, pause and try it. Here's a hint: the days skip. So look carefully on what stays the same from one writing day to the next and what changes. Pause now. I'll wait. Let's find the step first. Look at the card counts: 20, 25, 30. How much do they go up each time the team writes? Watch the hop. From 20 to 25 is plus 5. From 25 to 30 is also plus 5. Nice spotting. So the step is 5 cards per writing day. Notice, that's per writing day, not per calendar day. Now the tricky part: day 1 is the first writing day. Day 3 is the second. Day 5 is the third. Which writing day is day 17? Count carefully. Let's count them out. Day 7 is the fourth. Day 9 is the fifth. Day 11 is the sixth. Day 13 is the seventh. Day 15 is the eighth. And day 17 is the ninth writing day, so we need the ninth number in our pattern. Starting from 20 on writing day 1, we add 8 more times to reach the ninth. That's 20 plus 8 times 5, which is 20 plus 40, which is 60, so they write 60 cards on day 17. And here's the big lesson: when days skip, don't be fooled by the calendar number. Count the writing days, the steps in your pattern. The step happens once per writing day, not once per calendar day. Map the calendar day to the right writing day, then add the step that many times. Learn, compete, and win at competitivekids.org.